Hi, in this video, I'm going to go over a quick intro of what makes TerraStruct different. So there's a good chance that this isn't the first diagramming tool that you've come across or tried. I've lost count of how many I've tried and abandoned because it felt like they were all the same with slight variations of how to drag and drop shapes onto a canvas, maybe a cool icon library, and that was it. And it wasn't what I was looking for. TerraStruct is designed specifically for the needs of software engineers. For example, something I wanted to do but can't in other tools: split up a diagram into multiple boards. I was trying to explain to my team a complex payments flow, and when I tried to fit it all onto a single image, it turned into a mess. In TerraStruct, you can easily compose boards to explain complex software. For example, here I've separated this diagram into many different layers of abstraction. From a higher level overview of Kubernetes, I can drill down into the nodes. I can go further down into the pods of a node and into the container of a pod where the explanation focuses on that particular level of abstraction. Sometimes you want to cover an important scenario in your diagram, like how a system behaves when there's an error or just what happens under a certain use case. So look how much more understandable it is when this diagram has been split up into these multiple boards that are named for that particular step. The other big thing I couldn't find in any fully featured diagramming tool was a quicker way to define diagrams, and one that didn't involve me being a good artist, which I'm not. TerraStruct designed a dead simple language for you to make a complete diagram without ever leaving your keyboard. Let's say you want a diagram that your laptop routes to your VPN, which routes to your company dashboard. Or actually, let's say that your VPN and dashboard are all within AWS. It's that easy and it comes out of the box looking that beautiful with flexibility to customize. In the following videos of the onboarding series, I'll go in depth on these features and more, as well as how to get started in explanations as short and simple as this.